Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to change the default search engine in Safari on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down and go to the bottom. Tap Apps. Again, scroll down and find out Safari. Tap Safari. Under Search, tap Search Engine. Choose any search engine that fits your preference. Go back and make sure search engine updated. That's it. These are the steps to change the default search engine in Safari on iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.